Welcome to another video. Top 8 nutrients to unclog your liver. Do you feel constantly tired? Are you dealing with brain fog, skin issues, or unexplained weight gain? These symptoms might seem unrelated, but they could all point to a common issue. Your liver might be clogged, overworked, and crying out for help. Your liver is an incredible organ performing over 500 essential functions, including detoxifying your body, regulating hormones, and producing vital proteins. It helps maintain healthy cholesterol, triglyceride, and blood sugar levels, aids in digestion by producing bile, and supports metabolism by processing nutrients into energy. Despite its importance, the liver often doesn't get the attention it deserves until something goes wrong. Think of your liver as a high-efficiency dishwasher. Over time, without proper care, it can get clogged with all sorts of gunk. Toxins from processed foods, pollutants, and even stress. This buildup can lead to a host of problems, from chronic fatigue and skin issues to more severe conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and cirrhosis. Ignoring these signs can make you feel older and more worn out than you should be, robbing you of your energy and vitality. However, most people, and even some doctors, overlook these warning signs until it's too late. But here's the good news. Your liver has an amazing ability to heal and regenerate if you give it the right tools. In today's video, we'll look at how a clogged liver can age you faster. And I'm going to share with you the top 8 nutrients that can help unclog your liver, boost its efficiency, and restore your youthful energy. From antioxidant-rich foods to powerful herbal supplements, these nutrients will support your liver's natural detox processes and help you feel better than you have in years. So watch till the end to learn how you can give your liver the care it deserves and start feeling vibrant and healthy again. As always, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice. First, it's important to understand how a clogged liver can age you both inside and out. On the outside, it can lead to visible signs of aging like dry, itchy skin, unexplained rashes, and even age spots. You might also notice unexplained weight gain, especially around the belly area. Inside, the effects can be even more profound. A sluggish liver struggles to perform its functions efficiently, which can result in fatigue, brain fog, and poor memory. It can disrupt your hormonal balance, leading to issues like low sex drive, irritability, and trouble sleeping. Your digestion and metabolism may slow down, making it harder to maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, a clogged liver can't effectively filter toxins from your blood, leading to a buildup of harmful substances in your body. This toxic accumulation can accelerate the aging process, affecting everything from your energy levels to your immune system. A clogged liver could be draining you of energy in 3 important ways. B vitamin deficiency. When your liver is clogged, it struggles to process and distribute B vitamins efficiently, leading to constant fatigue and low energy levels due to a deficiency in these essential nutrients. A blood sugar imbalance. A sluggish liver can't manage blood sugar levels effectively, causing unstable blood sugar, energy crashes, and persistent fatigue, even if you are eating a balanced diet. Your liver plays a crucial role in balancing blood sugar levels by storing excess glucose as glycogen and releasing it when needed. Triglyceride buildup. A clogged liver can't convert triglycerides into energy efficiently, leading to their buildup in your blood. This buildup drains your energy levels and makes it harder for your liver to keep you feeling sharp and active. In essence, when your liver is clogged, it's as if your body's internal dishwasher isn't cleaning properly, leaving you feeling and looking more tired and older than you should. Now let's explore the 8 key nutrients that can revitalize your liver, enhance its performance, and rejuvenate your energy levels. First, we have liver-protecting nutrient number 8, glycyrrhizine. Glycyrrhizine, a potent compound found in licorice root, supports liver health through its antioxidant and detoxifying properties. Research demonstrates its ability to protect the liver from toxins, reduce inflammation, and improve liver enzyme levels. In one study, patients with liver issues saw an 88% improvement in liver enzyme levels, and an 86% reduction in symptoms after 4 weeks of daily glycyrrhizin intake. Additionally, glycyrrhizin supports insulin function, glucose transport, and overall circulation. Next, we have liver-protecting nutrient number 7, phosphatidylcholine, PC. This powerful compound found in lecithin-rich foods like soybeans, sunflower seeds, mustard, and eggs is best known for its memory-protecting effects. PC helps the brain produce neurotransmitters essential for understanding and memorizing new information. While it preserves memory and sharpens cognitive function, PC also benefits the liver by shielding it from harmful toxins and breaking down accumulated fats and toxins that can impair liver function. Studies show that PC can significantly reduce liver damage by promoting liver cell regeneration. In one study, rats given PC after partial liver removal experienced rapid regeneration within 30 hours. Moving on, we have liver-protecting nutrient number 6, quercetin. The next nutrient is quercetin, a powerful antioxidant found in a variety of foods, particularly in fruits such as apples, berries, and citrus fruits, vegetables such as red onions, kale, and broccoli, and beverages such as green tea, black tea, and red wine. It supports liver health by reducing inflammation, balancing gut bacteria, and improving bile production. Studies show quercetin can help with conditions like NAFLD. It may even help cells live longer. One lab test showed that it extended cells' lifespan by a whopping 60%. Next, we have liver-protecting nutrient number 5, N-acetyl-L-cysteine, NAC. Another compound that can help unclog liver cells is N-acetyl-L-cysteine, NAC. NAC is a powerful nutrient that helps protect your liver by boosting the production of glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. This increase in glutathione supercharges your liver's ability to detoxify harmful toxins and free radicals. NAC is not directly found in foods but can be obtained through supplements. However, its precursor or building block, cysteine, is present in various high-protein foods, such as chicken, turkey, pork, beef, fish like tuna, yogurt, cheese, eggs, sunflower seeds, and legumes. Studies show that NAC can improve blood flow to the liver, ensuring it gets the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and prevent damage. By enhancing glutathione levels, NAC not only supports liver health, but also helps recycle other antioxidants in your body, providing a cascading effect of protection against oxidative stress. Moving on, we have liver-protecting nutrient number 4, alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, is a powerful antioxidant that reduces liver inflammation and scarring, restores antioxidants like vitamin C and E, and aids in weight control. It is found in various foods such as red meats, organ meats like liver and kidney, spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, peas, potatoes, yams, beets, carrots, and Swiss chard. Studies show ALA boosts the liver's ability to regenerate and repair itself, making it effective for conditions like NAFLD and alcohol-related liver damage. Next, we have liver-protecting nutrient number 3, milk thistle. Milk thistle, particularly its key ingredient, silymarin, enhances the liver's ability to regenerate and repair itself. Silymarin acts as an antioxidant, reduces inflammation, and detoxifies the liver, protecting it from toxins like alcohol and drugs. Studies show silymarin improves liver function in conditions like cirrhosis, hepatitis, and NAFLD by reducing inflammation and promoting cell repair. Additionally, silymarin has a positive effect on blood sugar, helping to normalize fasting blood glucose levels in several randomized controlled trials. Coming up, we have liver-protecting nutrient number 2, agaricus. The next nutrient is royal agaricus, Agaricus blazei muril, a safe medicinal mushroom with powerful effects on the liver. It protects liver and immune cells from free radicals and shields the liver from toxins. In one study, rats injected with the liver toxin carbon tetrachloride and given agaricus daily for 8 weeks showed significantly less liver damage. and normalized enzyme levels compared to those given a placebo. Agaricus also helps unclog liver cells, has antiviral properties, and inhibits melanin production, reducing age spots and blemishes. And finally, we have liver-protecting nutrient number 1, selenium. Selenium, an essential trace mineral found in soil, is crucial for liver and skin health. It protects the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation caused by heavy metals and toxins, aiding in tissue healing and reducing liver disease risk. Studies show that low selenium levels are linked to poor liver function, while higher levels reduce liver problems. Additionally, selenium enhances the activity of glutathione to protect the skin from UV damage. Foods that are high in selenium include Brazil nuts, seafood, organ meats, and fortified cereals. So there you have it, 8 powerful nutrients that support optimal liver health and help you look and feel younger with more focus and energy. Instead of hunting down these nutrients individually, get them all together in one supplement. See our recommended liver support supplement at the link below. Remember, your liver has an amazing ability to heal itself when given the right support. In addition to these nutrients, simple lifestyle changes like eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and limiting alcohol consumption can go a long way in supporting your liver health and helping you feel younger and more energetic. If you enjoyed this video, share and subscribe and click on notifications so you never miss a video. The next video to watch is Top 3 Nutrients to Remove Age Spots. And don't forget to get your free anti-inflammatory diet plan at the link below.